Starting at 50 with nothing saved? Suze Orman's Blueprint for a Powerful Comeback by William T. Stevens, entrepreneur, investor, blogger. Are you 50 and feeling stuck because you haven't saved a dime for retirement? You're not alone. But here's the good news. It's not too late to turn things around. In this episode, inspired by Suze Orman's no-nonsense advice from her show, we're breaking down a clear, powerful strategy to rebuild your financial future. Starting now. Face the truth and own your numbers. Suze starts with brutal honesty. The first step is owning where you are. Track every dollar you spend for the next 30 days. Look at your last 12 months of income and expenses. This isn't optional, it's your roadmap. You can't fix what you don't measure. The debt avalanche. Eliminate fast. If you have debt, especially high-interest credit card debt, it's time to go to war with it. Suze recommends the Avalanche method. Pay minimums on all debts, but throw every extra dollar toward the highest interest debt. This isn't just about saving money, it's about reclaiming your freedom. Every dollar you eliminate in debt today is a dollar you don't owe your future self, with interest. The monthly budget check-in. Now that you know where your money is going, ask, is your lifestyle sustainable? If you're spending more than you make, you've got two options: cut back or earn more. Suze's advice: simplify your lifestyle and use the difference to invest in your future. You can't live like you're rich today and expect to be rich tomorrow. Start where you are with what you have. Suze is clear: even small savings matter. Begin with what you can: $50, $100, $200 per month. The goal is consistency. Dollar cost averaging into a Roth IRA is one of the best steps you can take. Time and discipline will beat trying to time the market every time. Consistency beats intensity when building wealth. Max out retirement tools. If you have a 401k, especially with employer match, take full advantage of it. After that, contribute to a Roth IRA if eligible. Over 50, use those catch-up contributions. The system gives you extra room to grow your savings. Use it. At 50, you're not out of time. You just don't have any to waste. Delay Social Security if you can. Delaying Social Security from 62 to 67 or 70 increases your payout dramatically. If you can afford to wait, it's one of the smartest long-term income moves you can make. Patience now pays off forever later. Final thoughts and motivation. Starting over at 50 isn't a curse. It's a challenge, but one you can conquer with clarity, courage, and commitment. Suze's plan is simple but powerful. Know your numbers, destroy your debt, invest consistently, and protect your future. Start now. Your comeback story starts today. Like, share, and comment if you're ready to rebuild your future. Subscribe for more wealth-building game plans every week.